guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks to take your work outfit from desk to drinks. With the weather being so beautiful lately, why not head out after work rather than go home? With these simple tweaks you can look professional in the work environment and also have a great night out with the girls. Let's start with one of the most loved styles in the world today, the jumpsuit. The Coco jumpsuit is power dressing at its best and can easily be converted from work to play. Pair it with a point and create a professional look by tying the lapels around the neck for more coverage. Or bow it to the side for a softer feel. Wrap the adjustable tie around the waist and tie it into a bow and you're off to work. When it's time to clock off, open the collar by untying the lapels, cuff the pants and pop on a strappy heel. Take your outfit to the next level by adding a waist bag or standout belt. The cruise jumpsuit has that bohemian chic feel to it, and with its wide leg pant can be easily worn in the office by just adding a belted blazer to clinch in the waist and a heel. At the end of the day, remove the blazer, use the belt around the waist and tie the straps around the arms. Swipe on a red lippy and wear the blazer over your shoulders for that model off-duty look. The Ivy jumpsuit is also a great desk to drinks look. Simply tie the belt in a bow around the waist and pair it with a mule. When the working day is over, put the flats under the desk and grab your fave heels. Throw on a belt and show some skin by wearing it off the shoulder. If your workplace calls for a smart, casual, slightly less formal attire, the Scarlet Playsuit's a great option. The blazer style playsuit commands attention and can be easily styled very simply with a point for the office. But after the job's done, strap on a heel, cuff the sleeves and pop on a standout red lippy and you're ready to meet the girls. If you're more of a top and pants girl, these great separates can take you from desk to dinner while still looking stylish. Go for a more neutral palette and pair these super comfy pants with an edgy bodysuit. Complete the look with a heel and pop your hair up in a ponytail for a more sleek look. When it's time for drinks, unbutton the collar and edge up the look with a stack heel and sunnies. If you prefer to wear more colour, go for a tailored two-piece in a soft pastel tone. These cigarette style pants are a statement piece. Belt them, tuck in a top and put on a pointed heel. Finish it off with the matching tailored jacket, a match made in heaven. Take this look to the streets. Leave the jacket on the back of the office chair, pop on a wedge and untuck the top. Cuff the sleeves, layer some necklaces and grab your fave clutch. Don't forget your lippy. If you're more of a dress girl like me, this shirt dress is the answer to all your prayers. Get some extra shut-eye in the mornings with this little number because all you need is a quick tie around the waist and a heel. And it's even easier to style when the day is done. Bow the tie around the front, cuff the sleeves, change the shoes to a strappy style and pop on a hot red lippy. No closet's complete without a little black dress. It's a workwear essential and ideal for out of the office socialising. This edgy but classy style needs just a blazer. Black if you're going for more of a professional look, or why not rock it with a double-breasted denim blazer? It is the year 2020. At the end of your shift, let your hair down, peel off the layers and pop on a strappy heel and a red lippy. And there you have it. Hope you enjoyed these easy day to night quick fixes. Now you can take control of the office and make a statement later on over drinks. If you'd like to shop any styles in this video, you can find all the links down below. And if you'd like to see more videos from me, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like and share with family and friends. As well as check out our Facebook and Instagram pages for your fashion daily fix. Thanks for watching guys. See you all on our next video.